Welcome back to the G&P Trucking channel. Mike Hause here, and want to discuss with you some wintertime tips being on the road. First tip is this: make sure that when you are adding windshield washer fluid to your reservoir, you are adding the pre-treated 20 below product, which right over there, I have it right over there. This will ensure your windshield washers do not freeze. Last thing you want to do is add water to your washer reservoir, and trust me, your water that's in there will freeze. Okay, if you do happen to have water and it does freeze, the best remedy for that is to add some of the pre-mixed 20 below treatment. Hopefully it will push its way on through. Guys, now we're going to talk about the air system. The air system is a very, very important part of your truck. The air system controls everything in your truck, from the shifting to the braking to your air valves inside your dash. Reason being is your air has to be dry, and one thing to help keep your air dry is the air dryer. Now, your air dryer works on a cycle. How you know your air compressor will cycle is you hear a loud spitting noise. And when I say spitting noise, it's exhaust air out of your air dryer. It'll give you a noise, a loud noise. It means your air dryer is working. If you're not hearing this sound, first thing I would recommend is go drain your air tanks. If you got any moisture in your air tank coming out of your air tanks, that tells me your air dryer is not working, and you must get it shopped ASAP. Because again, a truck with water in the air system below 32 degrees, the air system will not work efficiently. Your brakes will cause you a problem, your shifting your transmission will cause you a problem, everything will cause you a problem, even down to your heat defrost. Everything is controlled with air on the inside of your truck, and it will cause you a problem. You must have dry air. Your air dryer must work. Okay guys, now we want to talk about fuel system, another important part of your vehicle. When temperatures are dropping to 32 to 28 to 20, really you should add power service fuel treatment to each tank. The power service is right over there, and it's in a quart bottle. And my recommendation is, this has always worked for me in the past, add 1 quart to each tank before you fuel. This way, when you fuel, your fuel treatment will get mixed around your tank by adding the fuel. It's a great way to mix your fuel. And I would recommend, if you're in 20-degree temperatures, keep your truck every time you fuel your truck, add power service going into that, staying in that weather. Because if you don't, over time you will have problems where your truck will shut off on the road and your fuel system will ice up or gel up. Hey guys, a little recap here. The fuel system and air system is a heartbeat of your truck. Some of the tips I gave to you earlier, please follow through with them. It will help you get to where you need to go and with a safe trip. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or email me at mhause@gmptruck.com. Thank you very much for listening.